Hello dear, so this is your order. You can see it right here. It's very smooth, extremely smooth and silky. Because you are a very important customer of mine, so you can see that the factory has selected the material very carefully. It's very soft, I can assure. And you can take a look at this one. This one is your water curly here. It's very soft too. And of course you can take a look at your loose wavy. This one is your loose wavy. It's very soft too. And I would like to show you the bone straight hair. Extremely shiny and silky. Okay, so oh, and these are your natural straight hair too. So that's all your straight hair. So I think that the quality right now is very good.